Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Affordable and Elegant Valentine Floral DIY or Decorate collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Joyful Decor by Denise, May's Design Corner, and me, Jennifer at Home. Today, I'm going to be putting together a simple but elegant table setting for my husband and I for Valentine's Day. I'm going to add some beautiful coordinating flowers. I'm going to fix a very special dinner for my husband. I want to make the table setting so elegant and so nice. I put on my very favorite tablecloth with beautiful flowers and a striped pattern on the hem. Although I'm going for an elegant look, I'm going to keep everything super simple. With this gray and white theme, I'm also going to introduce the color pink in the napkins. We'll start off our dinner with a salad, so I'll add a salad plate right on top of each napkin. To tie in the pink with the napkins, I'm going to add some beautiful pink and green hydrangeas and flowers. These flowers coordinate so perfectly with the ones in the tablecloth. I have one more touch to make this dinner extra special. I'm going to tuck in some beautiful pink flowers by each napkin. And just like that, I put together a beautiful, decorative, elegant dinner for my husband and I. He'll be so excited when he comes home and find out I fixed his favorite meal for dinner this evening. I am so happy you're here. I appreciate it so much, and I really enjoyed participating in this collaboration. I would be so happy if you check out all of the participating channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you next time.